In reference to the microstrand technology for making your hair fuller while keeping your own hair safe and healthy, the question has been asked, when this is blended between your own hair, as a quick summary, microstrand technology, microstrand invention. Upon contact of the skin or scalp, as you can see, it disappears. One hair at a time is blended onto that. That becomes this. One of many, many examples. Any amount of hair can be put on. When that's blended between your own hair, or if you're a hair professional, you can offer this, when that's blended between your client's own hair, what happens? Can you brush directly down to your scalp? The answer is yes. Here's the reason why. The microstrand is soft. So after hair is added onto it, it's soft, it's not stiff. When it's applied, and all you do is comb your hair through the openings. No pulling your hair through. You take a comb or a pick and it just combs right through. Then because the microstrand is soft, it's gonna mold to your head, to every little bump and curve to the head, and fit the head like another piece of skin. Between it molding to the head and the hair coming through, that accounts for the majority of the hold. And because it's so thin and flat to your head, you can actually take a brush and brush directly and literally scrape it down to the scalp without getting caught. And I have it, of course, but you can brush right down to the scalp, or you can part it anywhere you want, and full access to your scalp. And you'll love the feel of being able to brush directly down to your scalp. If you're an individual or if you're a hair professional, your clients are gonna love the ability to run their fingers down to the scalp and brush directly down to the scalp the same way they're supposed to do with their own hair. Now, if you're an individual, you should press the button below, schedule either a phone appointment or a video appointment, your choice. And if you're a hair professional, you need to offer this technology to your clients because it's the only technology that makes your client's hair fuller for any client with any hair situation, that will keep their existing hair safe and healthy and allow you to use their existing hair. This is incredibly important, all right, and way, way more advanced than any other method. This isn't just another method. This is an advanced technology that is far beyond any other technology available. And for the hairdresser, you can now, for a limited time, to a limited number of hair professionals, you, the hair professional, can get a free website with this microstrand technology. It's going to have a video in it that shows exactly how this works, before and after pictures, testimonials in it. It'll even have diagrams to show you all the different ways you can add hair in different areas, and it's no charge, and it's personalized with your name and your contact information. So you're able to share this with everyone. Test it, share it, and get opinions of your clients and your social media or friends or relatives. Ask them to look at the website and look at the video and give their opinion to you if you should be offering this. You're gonna find out it's gonna attract a lot of clients that are in desperate need of this technology. The only technology in the world that adds hair in a way that keeps the existing hair safe and growing, that you can run your fingers through down to the scalp, run a brush down to the scalp, just as if it's all your own hair, okay? Very advanced. Summary, if you're an individual, click the button below and schedule a video call or a call. If you're a hairdresser or you own a salon, click the button below and get your free website that's personalized. Thank you.